know you're supposed to store. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a clean and fall decorate with me, and I'm decorating a little bit earlier, but it's Labor Day weekend, so I just wanted to go ahead and get it done so I don't have to worry about it on another weekend. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted me. And all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, this is part 1 of my fall clean with me, and then part 2 will be the decorating part. But I didn't want to put it all in one video because I didn't want it to be too long. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just let this video play out. I will pop in every once in a while to say some things, but most likely I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the video.
Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights? Is where I saw you for the last time, said our goodbyes, sat in the car, you saw the pain in my eyes. But I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should have known. Guitar. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should.
Yes, you're seeing that right. It says Merry Christmas. I realized that I left this up, and I have already put up the Christmas stuff, and I said, you know what, it's just gonna stay out until Christmas time. Okay, so now that I got the rug moved out and the table and that area is kind of cleaned up, I'm gonna go ahead and move the table back and finish vacuuming so I can mop and go ahead and get started on the fun part, which is decorating.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Alpha and omega. Like the waves waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom, and we do it all again and again and again and again.
So this brings us to the end of part 1 of my fall clean and decorate with me. Part 2 will be up tomorrow, and I'll make sure I'll link it down below. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my other videos, especially my part 2 of my fall decor. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
And Omega, whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we